Okay guys, part 2 of the SPX box. Sorry, I just got this 101 Brian Westbrook, but just want to have quick uploads tonight, so go through this. This is pack 5, I believe. Winning combos. Andre Johnson, Tony Gonzalez, dual jersey of Julius Peppers and Aaron Schobel, 68 out of 99. Got a card number 1 out of 25 insert. Let's see what it is. White Tittle, Brody Croyle, Ronnie Brown, and number 1 out of 25. Oh, cool. Ed Reed, dual jersey. Brian Dawkins, Marshawn Lynch, Michael Strahan, and the hit, Felix Jones, triple jersey, 65 out of 75. I think this is pack 8. Thin card, so probably autograph. Steve Smith, Jamarcus Russell, oh my god, Dexter Jackson again. Thank you. I kind of want to check this card, but if anybody wants that, I will sell it to you for a very good price. You can have both. Make me an offer. Oh, this looks like a cool card. Something's in here. So I think a rookie and then a jersey. Terrell Owens, Brian Urlacher, Corey Boyd rookie. Never heard of him. And then for the Bills, I got a dual. Trent Edwards, Marshawn Lynch, 21 out of 49. And then last pack. Rookie on the top. Another guy I haven't even heard of, Jonathan Hefney. Looks like I got an auto, hopefully. Greg Jennings, and the hit, oh man, Bruce Davis, rookie auto. So, other than the 101, that box was kind of a bust. I'll be listing the stuff in the store, or just PM me if you're interested in making any offers. Alright, talk to you guys later.